How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. I wasn't able to upload to YouTube yesterday, but I was able to upload the daily update for yesterday on TradingView. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. The previous episode, I said we got a down close day. Odds are the next day I will look to go long. As you can see, we get dynamic buying. We do take out the previous daily low Wednesday. Most people would sit here and say, oh, it's not going long, it's going short because it took out the low. That may not be the case. Like I say, I frame my bias around swing highs and swing lows. Did price take out any swing low recently? It did not. It just took out a previous daily low. That could be a sell stop raid. They're getting people out of their longs, knocking out their sell stops or trailing stops below lows. Then they knock them out, then price runs away in their intended direction. If this swing low was broken, then I would say, okay, this is a potential bearish shift occurring. Bearish momentum is coming into play. Commercials may be looking to turn the market around. But does that happen here? No. We're just getting higher swing lows and then potentially getting higher swing highs as well. So I'm still targeting this. You can see the inverse happened for DXY. You can see that, and now we currently have a lower swing high. It's confirmed. So we don't have to have the question mark anymore. Price comes down and hits it. It does break this low. And now we have a lower swing low formation here. You can see here, counter trend candle, it goes up. But AU was down. It goes up because this is a downtrend. Any up close candles are going to be a counter trend to the downtrend. You sell after the up close. You can see how price opens, rallies above midnight opening price, and gives a sell opportunity there. If we look at AU briefly on a 1 hour chart, weekly range breakdown, we can see how price takes out Tuesday's low here, Wednesday. That's the daily fair value gap that we had that low entry at, low of the week. And then we had that fair value gap. So last episode that I posted on TradingView, sorry I wasn't able to get it on YouTube. I said this fair value gap was most likely going to be the catalyst for Thursday. You can see midnight opening price drops down, London set up, New York optimal trade entry retracement, long. And you'll see that here. There you go. So price comes down, comes up, and then New York optimal trade entry long again, and it takes out Wednesday's high and Tuesday's high. Another perspective as well, we got that Persian revert. We look back 3 days. The second day is mainly what I would like to see AU get up to because it's the only high that's left open. This is an old high. It could still be targeted or have a sensitive reaction when price gets there. But you can see here by Thursday, look at how by Wednesday it's still below fair value. And then Thursday, it uses this 1 hour fair value gap here. Yes, it breaks it. It happens. It cuts through candles. We're not retail, super perfect supply and demand. We know that it's most likely going to trend around it and then get above it. Trend around it, get around it. And eventually it's going to leave that area. And you can see it leaves that area. But this zone was the interest in heart. I was looking at this. London gave me that opportunity to go long. And there we are. We're back above fair value. Anything below fair value is a discount. Now, many people will be asking, how did I get this line here? And I'm calling it fair value. I went from this high to this low, which is why the arrows are there to signify where I took the fib from. This high point to this low point, cut in half, that's 50% of that range. And that's how I was able to find fair value. Anytime price comes below, I know there's a buying opportunity. I'm not buying randomly throughout the day. I'm buying inside the sessions. That's a big difference here. People will say, oh yeah, I went long and it went against me. Well, when were you buying? The New York dead zone? Most likely. When you're going to face consolidation, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Are you buying during London or are you buying during New York? Anything else, you're chasing price. And that's mainly it. You'll see that AU, GU probably is also doing the same thing as well. I don't have to look at them. But all in all, still bullish for AU. Hopefully you found this insightful. Peace.